Let us begin with the chapter the past tense. Now simple past tense is used when actions happened and got completed in the past, frequently with adverbs of past time. For example, we left the city last year. So you can see this word refers that last year we left the city. It was simple past tense. This is the second form of the verb. The teacher gave our copies yesterday. Gave is the second form of the verb. Yesterday indicates that it's a past habit. I drank 1 liter of milk every day when I was small. He often slept late at night. It's also used for some past habits. Actions that were true for some time in the past. Leila lived here in the past. Binny loved being the secretary of children's club for 2 years. That means those actions which were true for some time in the past. See, in the past she used to live here. Binny loved being the secretary. So we have used the verbs, second form of the verbs. For example, did you visit him yesterday? Always remember, when you are using did in the sentence, then there will be always first form of the verb, because then it would amount to double past tense, which is wrong. Now let us compare present perfect tense and past tense. I have seen this film last Monday. I saw this film last Monday. The first sentence is wrong because present perfect tense is used for actions that are completed in the present time. However, it cannot be exchanged with simple past tense when there are words that indicate the past time, such as last month, last week, yesterday. When these some words which indicates a past time, then we use simple past tense, not present perfect tense. Past continuous tense. Those actions that went on in the past. That means they were continuing for some time in the past. It was raining yesterday. Actions that continued for some time in the past. Mannat was crying till she found her doll. She found her doll. Before that she was crying. Actions that happened again and again in the past. The neighbors were fighting almost every month. Like this. You have to learn these rules. Now sometimes it happens that there are two actions in the sentence and they both happened in the past, but one action happened in the middle of another action. For example, I was reading the newspaper when she came. That means when she came, this person was reading the newspaper. Father was cooking dinner when Aunt Jennifer arrived. That means he was already cooking the dinner and Aunt Jennifer arrived in middle of cooking dinner. Simple past tense and past continuous are used together in such cases. The longer action is expressed in past continuous tense while the other one in simple past tense. See, this action was happening before and this action happened after this. So for the longer action we use past continuous and for the last action we use the simple past. For example, Balbir was studying when the guests arrived. Like that. Present perfect tense. Actions completed before a certain moment in the past. That means some action completed before a certain defined moment and that action was done in the past only. She had already completed her work before everyone else. When we use past perfect tense, we use the verb, helping verb, had, often, to use it with the second form of the verb. Actions completed before another action in the past. Some actions which were completed before another action that happened. Then also we use past perfect tense. The students had completed the task before the teacher came. That means teacher came afterwards, but before that they had completed. Okay. Now always remember this rule. Past perfect tense for the action that happened first and simple past for action that happened afterwards. I had been thinking about you when you called. Naman Verma had been staying in Goa for almost 3 years when Mr. Raghav shifted there. Now we use past perfect continuous tense to talk about actions that begin before a certain time in the past and continue till that time. When we use past perfect continuous tense, when some actions begin before a certain time and continue till that time. That means I was thinking about something, but when you called, my thinking stopped. So I had been thinking about you when you called. Now when you called, I stopped thinking about you. Like this.